friends, this is Julie Tillman. Welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited to have in front of me the Love from Lizi February card making kit. I have the opportunity to play with this kit this month and it is such a sweet collection of products. I am so excited. I have never used a Love from Lizi kit. I've just used peel-offs in the past, so I am thrilled with the selection of products in this kit. So I wanted to show it to you. It starts off with, there are these three, I think they're 3.5-inch square note cards, and there's coordinating envelopes, so that's fun. Little fun thing. And then in the embellishment pack, there is these cute little, I think everything miniature is so sweet. Cute little paper clips. Anyways, they're a rose gold-ish color. Then there are some, this is like chipboard weight. These are Polaroid frames in foil. And those are going to be perfect little accents. That's a fun shape to work with. Excited about that. There is a stamp set. It's a 4x6 stamp set. These are photopolymer stamps. They're made in the USA. Love from Lizi is an international company, but they do manufacture their stamps in the US. It has these dotty circle frames, which are really cool. They'd be good for like making backgrounds and also to frame the ephemera or images in the stamp set. There's this nice little floral image and a nice border, some cute little accents that would fill in a nice tone-on-tone background. Then there are sentiments. Let's have a spot of tea. For you, I have the biggest soft spot. I'm absolutely dotty about you, and you're such a cutie. And then there's two cute little teacups. And if you haven't guessed, this is a Tea for Tilda class kit. And this is Tilda. She's a sweet little mouse, and she loves tea, and she's sitting in her teapot. And there is a beautiful collection of ephemera. And it has a really nice balance between cutesy and floral. And I just felt like the whole kit overall is really well balanced for any type of designing, whether you're like shabby chic or you like mixed media, some little modern, there's modern stone papers with like glitter veins, and there's neutrals and just beautiful, beautiful stuff to play with. There are these peel-offs. They are circle peel-offs in a rose gold mirror, and these will be perfect for adding little accents to the cards in place of like enamel dots or anything bumpy like a rhinestone or sequins. These will add that sparkle and shimmer and that extra something without making your card too thick to mail. There is a 6x6 stencil, and this is a dotty stencil, and it's kind of giving me vibes of like cheese holes. Maybe it's this yellow paper here, but I might have to go with that idea for one of my projects. There are some standalone dies. These ones are word dies, and it's time for tea and party. So you could do tea time, time for tea, party time, all sorts of stuff like that. Tea party. And there are cute little self-adhesive rhinestone embellishments. So those will be nice floral accents and just accents on cards. Very beautiful. They would also go well as centers for these little, there's like 3 little organza bows that are included in the kit. And then there is also this little cluster with, it's got some seed pearls and 3 rosettes and some ribbon and some little pearls. And that would just make a very sweet accent. There are 3 types of lace. There's this daisy chain pattern embroidered flower chain, which would be nice. Divider. There's this beautiful scalloped edge with a embroidered flower design. And then there's a thick, wide traditional lace. Those will make some nice shabby chic creations. The patterned paper are 6x6 sheets. They're one-sided. They are a very thick quality paper. They're matte, so there's not super shine or anything. So I am excited to use these. This one has a very tiny tilde. And then this one is probably my favorite. I love the variation between the shadow and the crisp images in that pattern. And then there's a nice one with some florals and tildes, and then some nice little floral bushes in a nice lovely pattern, subtle. And this like tan one, I like the blues and browns in this kit. It's very, very fun. And then another floral one. Those are very pretty. And then you get 6 of these. These are like stone papers. They kind of like look like marble and granite. They have like this faux glitter. It's just a picture of glitter, but it really does give that effect. This dark one has almost a cracked glass look. And there's more of that faux glitter fun. This veining is very pretty with like this periwinkle color. And this one the glitter almost goes to a bokeh effect out here. So that's super fun. And then another marble looking card stock. So those are very fun. There's a half sheet. This is a little bit shy of 8.5 by 5.5. And this is like it's a little thicker than a cardstock, so the normal cardstock. So I'd say it's like a very, very thin chipboard. And then this one is a mirrored rose gold coppery color. Beautiful. And we have 8.5 by 11 sheets. There's so much stuff in this kit. It's just amazing. There's this buttery yellow, a beautiful navy blue, a taupe, and a deep brown. And I'm just loving this color palette. It's very, very beautiful. And then they always include a sheet of white heavyweight cardstock that is alcohol safe for coloring. So that is a great addition to the kit. And that completes my walkthrough of the kit. I am so excited about how many wonderful pieces there are. That ephemera is just so beautiful. I love the balance between the cutesy and the vintage floral motifs. So that is going to be very fun to create with, and I can't wait to see what everybody else is creating. As I said before, this is a subscription box. You can subscribe on the Love from Lizi website, and I will leave a link down below to where you can set up your subscription so that you can get a box of these lovely goodies in your mailbox each month. There are also some wonderful add-ons that are available in the shop, some peel-off bundles that coordinate it perfectly, and some other goodies. So you'll want to check that out. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.